Welcome at a Blender quick tip, and for today I'll explain you some about the hotkeys and options of the new Blender 2.8. You can see on this intro screen it says select with left and right. This is the selection with mouse button, and I recommend you to use the left mouse button because I know for sure this will get used more and more in the future. If you've chosen that option and you still want to change it, you can do this at User Preferences, which in case has a new location. Back in the days it was at File. Now you can go at Edit, Preferences, and then to Input, and there you have left and right mouse button. Don't forget after selecting it to save preferences. Moving in the viewport has changed too. Back in the days you were holding Shift and you use your scroll to go up, down. Holding your control, using your mouse wheel, you could go left and right. All you have to do for now is hold your shift, hold your scroll, and move your mouse to go up, down, left and right. Zoom in can be done on two ways, or either you just use your scroll wheel, get some clicks forward and backwards, or you can hold your control, hold your scroll wheel and move your mouse for a little bit smoother zoom in and out. Selecting and deselecting object works different. Still, selecting an object, you just do this with your mouse. But deselecting the object can be done on three different ways. First, which I don't recommend, is you can double tap to unselect. And as you could see, when you select an object, press A again, you select all. When double tap, you unselect. Now sometimes this can be a little bit funky. One of the other options is, when you select something you want to unselect, just click near in the field and it's unselected. Or what you could also do is when you select something, hold Alt and press A. And when you've done that, you know for sure you've unselected everything. Next up is one of the options when you, for example, spawn in a cylinder and you want to make the surface smooth. Back in the days you could just click on smooth on the side. Now you can do this on two different ways. Or either you go to object and down here shade smooth. Or you can just go with other mouse button on it and click shade smooth, which is very quick. One of the other options was subdivide. So when you spawn in a plane, go into edit mode, you could simply subdivide at the side. You still have loop cut, which will make a cut here, then you can make a cut there, and there, etc, etc. But now you can do that on two different ways. You can either or go up here at the edge and select Subdivide, or you just click with the other mouse button on it and it's straight at the top. Besides that, you will get an option down here, which in case you can choose to do more of them. Now this panel down here at the left bottom will also count for a lot of other things, which in case I mean when you spawn in a circle and you want to have lesser vertices, you can just open the panel and add in lesser vertices. Now one of the other known things, when you would spawn in a cube, you would go to edit mode from the front view and you only want to select the vertices on the top, make a drag selection box, and you would view the top. You know only the ones at the front are being selected. In order to turn on or off the transparency of these vertices, you just go up on the top down here, you select it, go back to the front view, try that again, and when you view it, all of them are selected. Speaking about drag selection box, back in the day you had to press B and then you can select multiply things. Now you just select on the field and there you go. So no more pressing B. Convert mesh from text. If you want to make this text into a mesh, so you can do a lot more with it. Back in the days, with the text being selected, press Alt C and you could convert mesh from text. They have removed the hotkey. Still, there are two ways to do this. Or either with the text being selected, you go to Object, and down here, convert mesh from text. Or use the other mouse button on the text and convert to mesh. Now you could either leave it with this and press tab to go into edit mode and you see it worked. Or you can convert it to mesh And down below here, you still get the option to choose one of the two. In the next video, I will talk more about some other hotkeys and options. For now, if you've got some questions or a request, then comment below. If you found this video useful, then like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.